My name is Dr. Asim Desai, and I am a cardiologist in Southern California. I just wrote a book called Restart Your Heart, the playbook for thriving with AFib, published by Greenleaf Book Group. And you're about to see me open my box of books that came in the mail. Here we go. It's a very, very exciting time for me. It's my first book, and there's so many emotions going on right now in terms of how long it took to get here, times that I thought I'd never get here, and let's have a look. You all are seeing it with me. So here's the book, Restart Your Heart, the playbook for thriving with AFib. It's going on sale September 1st in a couple of weeks during National AFib Awareness Month. The book, the reason why I wrote the book in the beginning was actually to grieve the loss of my mom. She passed away suddenly, and I really didn't know how to process the grief, and so I just began to write, and I wrote about that experience. And that led into some issues regarding her heart and some other family history of heart disease. And then I started thinking about my own patients and people I take care of with a condition called AFib and the struggles that they go through, and how it would be really helpful when any of us have a health problem to have a playbook or a handbook on exactly what to do from the time you're diagnosed to the time you're treated and beyond. And so the idea here is that this is a go-to resource coming from a credible source where someone gets diagnosed with AFib, they can pick up the book, take a look at it, and it will guide them through the process. It's filled with illustrations and great patient stories and anecdotes. And what I am especially proud of is the foreword is written by David Baker, who is a good friend. He is the president and CEO of the Pro Football Hall of Fame. And David has AFib, and he writes about his story. And it actually raised awareness of more and more athletes getting AFib, and there's specific reasons for that as well. You can find information about my book at my website, drasimdesai.com, drasimdesai.com. It's also available on any of the common book sale sites, such as Amazon and Barnes & Noble. I have a blog on my website, and also you can find me on social media at Dr. Asim Desai. Please message me. I'd be happy to answer any questions. There's a variety of free downloads off the website, and I can also give it to you through the social media channels. So here you're seeing it, debut book, Restart Your Heart, and I look forward to having you guys read it and would love your feedback.